Hey, Leslie here, and today we're going to talk to you about CTAs. Call to actions, or more commonly known as CTAs, are the 2 to 3 word directions that you see at the end of videos or ads, i.e. learn more, call now, reach out today, etc. The biggest mistake brands make when producing video is forgetting to direct their viewers to their next step. One of the most effective ways to bring viewer traffic to your website is simple. End your video with your logo and your website. Some video hosting sites even let you create a clickable link on your video for the viewer to go directly to your site, or you can link your site in the description. Just make sure your CTA notes this. Additionally, some brands like to use a bug. A bug is generally placed in the bottom left or right corner of your video. This can be a logo that can click out to your site, or could be a low opacity text of your site so they know where to go to find more. For more marketing tips and tricks, check out koi-fly.com. See you next time.